Why does everyone act like we're dirty? We're just trying to grab a bite like everyone else.
Pilots. Humans call us rats with wings, but scientists proved we can recognize ourselves in a mirror, something even dogs cannot always do.
People call us rats with wings, but without us, your streets would be buried in crumbs. We are the cleanup crew no one thanks.
Justice. Most people don't know. Pigeons carried messages in both world wars. Thousands of soldiers owed their lives to us.
Incredible scenes there. Pigeons not just pecking at crumbs, but telling their stories. From the street struggler to the rooftop philosopher, and even teaching the next generation in the park. And believe it or not, science backs some of this up. Pigeons can recognize themselves in mirrors, navigate hundreds of miles, and even distinguish between different styles of art. Not bad for a so-called rat with wings. Up next, we go deeper. More pigeons, more truths, and maybe a few surprises.
They call us rats with wings, yet we've delivered messages in wartime, saved lives, and navigated battlefields when humans...
It wasn't always like this. Alone and always hungry.
Before you roll your eyes, let's get something straight. The pigeon doesn't deserve your hate. In fact, it deserves your respect. Fact 1. First use. We humans first relied on pigeons over 5,000 years ago. As messengers, they carried news, secrets, even lifelines in times of war. Fact 2. Peak importance. During both world wars, pigeons saved thousands of lives by delivering messages when radio failed. Some were even given medals for bravery. Fact 3. Why we abandoned them. Then came technology, telegraphs, telephones, satellites, and just like that, pigeons were discarded, forgotten. Fact 4. Their reality. Today. Now most live alone, scavenging scraps in our cities, blamed for dirt, treated as pests. But that's on us, not them. Yet not everyone has turned their back. There are still people who care, fanciers, breeders, guardians of these birds. So let's go and meet one of them.
Happiest time of my life is when I'm with my pigeons. They are wonderful creatures.
I need to go as far as I can. My master needs me to win, and I'm gonna do it.
Don't hate us, humans. We don't hate you, Ben. We're just trying to survive.
So, next time you feel like kicking a pigeon or shooing it away, think twice. They've been part of our history, and they're just trying to get by. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more strange but true stories. Good night, and remember, be pigeon-friendly, at least until they poo on you or steal your food. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next installment.